Here we are, a new adoption in Webkinz World. I have 2 messages. Okay, I'm not gonna like read that right now. Okay, get items from storage. She's going to be sharing a room with, where do I have that? Oh, I know that's hers, but whose is that? Okay, let's go into a room that she's going to be sleeping in. She is going to be in Waddles' room to open her stuff. Now we're gonna open Oreo's stuff. Okay. Okay. It's Waddles. This is, oh look, it has wool all over it. Okay. Okay, she got a bonus gift box, a running shoelacer, a little lamb bed. Yeah, let's see what's in the bonus gift box. A Riedel flame lamp. Just gonna give her some food. It's hers, I believe. Okay, that's Oreos. Let's just open Oreos. He got a bonus gift box, an ambiance, and a heated hound hot tub. It's really cool. Bonus gift box. 1,000 cash coins. Okay. Okay, so these 2 messages are, if you read mail. Okay. Pet Collie is now 1 year older. Let us help you celebrate with a free piece of birthday cake. And your dog. Okay. Thank you for watching the pet adoption of Oreo and Lullaby.